Hey, what's going on, guys? So we've been pretty behind on the YouTube videos because we've had so much work to do, but we're gonna try to get back on it. So let's see what we're gonna do today. All right, so actually this week is the week of Holleylsfest in Las Vegas. So we're gonna be trying to be taking this truck out there to Holleylsfest, make some pulls and see what it does. And in this video, as you can see by over here, alright, so as you can see right here, we're going to be installing a NitrousOutlet nitrous kit on this Silverado before we leave to Vegas for Holleylsfest. The truck is already just stock right now. It just has a cam and headers and a couple things, but we're going to give it some nitrous to wake it up a little bit. Right now, currently how the truck sits, it's currently currently how the truck sits, we put a 4x4 transfer case in it so we can make it rear-wheel drive to do burnouts in Arizona. We have some footage there. We raced over there too. But now, yeah, we're going back to what it came from, stock from factory, and it's going to be all-wheel drive with the nitrous. Alright, so first things first, we're going to get this nitrous kit installed. That's going to be the main priority for right now. So over there we can, or even right now if we have time, we're going to be headed underneath to install the all-wheel drive transfer case instead of the 4x4 one that's currently in it. And we put the 4x4 one in just to do donuts and put in rear-wheel drive and do burnouts. Alright guys, so we're here with the trucks. We actually had to go move some trucks at the shop, so we got all that sorted out. But now, yeah, we're here. We're going to start actually getting down to it and installing this nitrous kit. As you can see here, we're here with my dad's truck and mine that we're both going to be taking to Holleylsfest. Right here, I just wanted to show you everything the nitrous kit came with. We ended up going with a nitrous outlet kit. So as you can see, it comes with everything, the 2 solenoids for fuel and nitrous, all the lines, fittings, and everything we'll need, and then the bottom mounts and the brackets and all the wiring harnesses for that. Shouldn't be too hard, guys. We're gonna get to it right now. I'm gonna try to record as much of the process as I can, but we are in a crunch time because the show is actually this week, so we got to get this done really fast. So we are gonna be in a rush, but I'm still trying to record as much as I can. All right, so right here we're gonna see about getting the bottom mount in right here. We're probably gonna mount it to the bed on the bottom, but if not, my dad said we can mount it on the side of the box to the speakers right here. So we're gonna get this installed, and then they're running the fuel. They're running the nitrous line from the front all the way to the back. All right, so using our nitrous bottle stand-in we got at Summit Racing, we noticed that there's actually more room on that side, so the bottle's gonna be mounted on that side. So we're gonna go over there and get it mounted. I'm gonna pull all of it. Come inside. That's it. So these are all the to mount the those right there on top. No. Put them on top of the box. Are those to mount these, right? To mount the solenoids? Okay, so my brother just ran the nitrous line all the way through underneath. We're gonna drill a hole down here so we can get access to it and then mount to the bottom. Yes, sir. They're gonna have to go get the Teflon. Bro, it has no NOS in it. How are we gonna mount the solenoids and all that? Okay. Oh, this is cool. That's not big enough. Keep going. I'm gonna need the bigger one. I think I'm hitting something at the bottom. Down. Right there. Okay, so Faye already drilled the line for the nitrous, so he's just putting the brackets on, and we're gonna get that done. And then over there, we're prepping to mount the solenoids.
These are supposed to go to the battery, right? One is supposed to get grounded, but we can ground them right here on this. So they get one wire. So we'll ground.
Hold it. This way. I won't put. Oh, yeah.
Fuck it, we're drilling. Tap it in the back. Hit it one time down. Harder. Harder. Go get the nozzle. Give me the crescent wrench, Michael. Try to get them. Here, you can do the honors. Are you recording? Screw in your nozzle.
So it just went in? Yep. All the way? Or is that good? That's good. You sure? Cause just use the clamp.
We'll just put some duct tape on.
That said it didn't have a
Oh, we're gonna need a clamp.
Why? It's gonna go flying.
Yeah.
They're gonna get us a tech?
Yes, we're going past tech.
My job's done. It's all wired up over here. Alright, Finn, let's go see what you did. Back there. He's only in your truck. Alright, so you put all the mounts on the bottle? Got the hose hooked up and everything? Everything good, Finn? We just gotta drill the bottom one, but... Yeah, well, we gotta drill the mounts for the bottle, but it's too late right now, so we're gonna drill them later on when it's not like midnight. Just do it to the box. Doesn't matter. Let's go. And then over here, we have our solenoids mounted. We drilled our hole for our intake for the fuel and NOS. So, pretty much everything is pretty much there. We just gotta wire everything up. All the lines and everything are ran already though.
Wiring, bro. Where'd you go?
To the fuel rail.
We're gonna go straight from the solenoids to the battery and a fucking ground.
Yeah, what about half of this?
Holleylsfest crunch time.
And as we've learned from previous years, we gotta have our battery secured. Check before. That's the only thing they really check for. Make sure your battery won't fly off. You said it was a 13 for that, right, Pa?
Yeah.
Here. Can you do it?
Hold on, let me
Alright, so we're here the next day. It was getting late at night. We got all the nitrous kit installed, the bottle, solenoids, everything's wired up and everything. We have the button ran inside already. Right now, the only thing we need to test the nitrous kit is, well, nitrous. So we got the bottle loaded up already, ready to go fill it up. Right, Pa?
Yep.
Get some Go Fast juice and then see what the truck does. We also already got the trailer from our boy Habibi, aka Aladdin, aka MBS tires. Let us borrow the trailer for this weekend. Alright, let's go get some nitrous. Alright, so we made it here at G&J Aircraft and Supplies. We got the nitrous bottle right here. Cool. Alright, so we made it to G&J. This is the closest spot around us. They have a bunch of fittings and a bunch of AN fittings for other car stuff too. They're mainly an aircraft supply store though, but you know, it's the same thing for all the cars and stuff. So right now we're gonna go fill up this nitrous, see how long this takes so we can get back to testing, make sure the whole kit's all installed properly. This store is actually pretty cool inside too. I'll try to show a little bit.
Let's go.
Alright, so like I said earlier, we're going to be changing the transfer case. So that's what I'm going to be going on there and start loosening down right now. And then over here, they're just tightening up all the nitrous solenoids and all that. Front drive shaft. Yeah.
Give that wrench to Michael.
Alright, so we really have to keep going now. So we really gotta do these like way faster, these clips. So this is the oil transfer case. As you can see by this little lever right here. This is actually out of a 4x4 or a Z71. We put it in here to, as like I said last time, to do donuts or do burnouts pretty much in rear-wheel drive. So the truck came stock all-wheel drive. So we have the stock all-wheel drive transfer case in and installed. I just gotta put the drive shafts in, the front one and this one, and that should be it. We should be ready to rock. After this, just I gotta wash up, and then we gotta load the truck on the trailer. Alright, so I don't have a cameraman anymore, so I gotta just do it and then record it. So this drive shaft's in. Just gonna put the little bolts back on right here. And then that's the ones for both sides. I got them right there. Just gotta tighten everything back up. This drive shaft's on, ready to put on the front one. Alright, so it's currently 4 o'clock. We are currently leaving to Vegas. It is Thursday. Hopefully we can get the truck checked in. Truck and trailer left at Holleylsfest. While we go see where we're gonna stay. Truck's all loaded up, ready to go. Now it's just the drive to Vegas. But that'll be the next video. The next video you'll see will be in LS Fest. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe.